When something's wrong with your roof, the stress usually hits before the rain does. You notice a water spot, a loose shingle, maybe debris in the yard after a storm, and suddenly you're trying to figure out the St. George roof repair price before the problem gets worse. Here's the truth most homeowners learn the hard way. Roof issues rarely stay the same. What starts as a small repair can grow quietly, especially with sun exposure, wind, and seasonal storms. That's why getting real information early matters more than guessing. The people often search for averages, but the real cost depends on what's happening on your specific roof, the size of the damaged area, the type of shingles or tile, ventilation, and whether moisture reached the underlayment all make a difference. That's why a detailed estimate for roof repairs or replacement St. George homeowners receive should never be just a quick glance and a number. It should explain why a repair works, or when replacement actually saves money long term. Another big factor is timing. After heavy wind or sudden weather shifts, damage can show up fast. The shingles lift, flashing loosens, and small openings allow water in. That's when St. George Affordable Emergency Roof Repair becomes critical. Fast response limits interior damage, protects insulation and drywall, and prevents mold issues that are far more expensive than the original repair. But speed shouldn't mean guesswork. A fast roof repair estimate St. George residents can trust should still include a full inspection of problem areas, not just what's visible from the driveway. Valleys, flashing points, vents, and transitions between roof sections are common failure spots. And when those are checked carefully, homeowners avoid repeat issues months later. Budget is always a part of the conversation, and it should be. An affordable roofing quote St. George property owners feel comfortable with doesn't mean cutting corners. It means understanding your options. Sometimes a targeted repair buys years of life. Other times, replacing an aging section prevents constant patchwork costs. Knowing the difference puts you in control. The biggest mistake homeowners make isn't choosing the wrong repair. It's waiting too long to understand the situation. Roofing problems are one of those things that get more expensive with time, not less. Early evaluation turns uncertainty into a plan. Because once you know the real condition of your roof, the cost, and the choices in front of you, it stops feeling like a crisis and starts feeling manageable. And that peace of mind? That's what every homeowner is really looking for. Contact us now for more info on how we can help you. 435-900-8207.